Presenting the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. This tablet weighs 469 grams, making it easy to carry with you. It is available in silver and black color variants. The Samsung Tab comes with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The Samsung Tab A comes with a 10.1-inch Full HD touchscreen with narrow bezels for an immersive viewing experience. The dual stereo speakers with Dolby 3D Atmos surround sound provide a cinematic experience. The tablet has an 8MP rear camera and a 5MP front camera. It runs on Android Pie OS with Exynos 7904 octa-core processor, making it ideal for running multiple apps. This tablet runs on a 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. The box includes a tablet, charger and user manual. This Samsung Tab comes with standard brand warranty, 1 year for device and 6 months for in-box accessories. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods.